Welcome to Riyadh, the dynamic capital of Saudi Arabia, where desert tradition meets urban ambition. Unlike the holy cities of Mecca and Medina, Riyadh reflects a broader architectural vision. It's not dominated by religious structures, but by wide residential areas, sprawling villas, and thoughtfully designed neighborhoods. Many homes here feature long, green lawns, a symbol of status and comfort, often painted in soft yellow, white, or light orange tones. These colors aren't just aesthetic, they reflect sunlight, keeping homes cooler during the hot Saudi summers. While much of the city remains horizontal with low-rise housing, a few modern high-rises pierce the skyline, hinting at Riyadh's steady rise as a global urban center. In Aqiq region, Riyadh's skyline takes a futuristic turn. Here, glass skyscrapers tower above the city, reflecting the bright desert sun by day and glowing softly at night. These buildings represent the city's economic core, housing luxury apartments, tech firms, international banks, and high-end hospitality venues. The sleek facades and bold architecture speak to the city's ambition to position itself among the great modern capitals of the world. Riyadh's roads are wide, fast, and impressively engineered. In several areas across the city, especially near commercial districts, you'll find five-way intersections, a unique layout that keeps traffic flowing across multiple directions. These roads connect neighborhoods, shopping areas, and highways, and are built to handle the city's expanding vehicle population. From above, they create fascinating patterns of movement, like rivers of headlights and taillights flowing in sync. Riyadh Park Mall is one of the most vibrant commercial hubs in the city. Opened in 2018, it combines luxury shopping, fine dining, and entertainment all under one roof. Known for its modern design and spacious layout, the mall features local and international brands, a cinema complex, and leisure zones that attract visitors of all ages. It's more than just a shopping center. It's a social destination and a symbol of Riyadh's evolving lifestyle culture. Just a short drive away is Rubine Plaza, an open-air complex offering boutique stores, cozy cafes, and casual dining spots. Its relaxed vibe and outdoor layout make it a popular choice for evening meetups and family outings, especially when the weather cools down. It's a great spot to experience Riyadh's everyday social life. If you're a fan of premium cars, the Audi Car Centre in Riyadh stands out with its futuristic design and top-of-the-line models. The showroom displays Audi's latest releases, and the entire facility reflects the brand's luxury and precision, blending well with the city's taste for elegance and high performance. As the sun sets, Riyadh transforms. In areas like Al Murabba and around the Ramada Hotel, the buildings light up beautifully. Government offices, cultural landmarks, and hotels glow against the dark sky, creating a calm yet vibrant nightscape. It's a perfect example of how Riyadh blends tradition, progress, and elegance, even after dark. And that's the end of our drone journey through Riyadh, a city full of contrasts and growing energy. We hope you enjoyed this aerial tour of Saudi Arabia's capital. Next time, we'll take you across borders to explore another country from above. Until then, stay safe, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on our next sky-high adventure.